Welcome to our tutorial on how to install Minecraft Java Edition on your iPhone and iPad in 2025. Let's dive into this exciting journey. Before getting started, let's check the compatibility requirements for 2025 to ensure your device is ready. Step 1 is downloading remote desktop apps like Parsec or TeamViewer from the App Store to set up your gaming experience. Now, let's set up your Minecraft server on your computer. Follow these simple steps to configure it properly. Step 3 is connecting your iPhone or iPad to the server. It's easier than you think. Next, we'll adjust the game settings for optimal performance on mobile. Make sure your device can handle the graphics. In Step 5, let's install some awesome mods and plugins to enhance your gameplay experience. Having trouble connecting? Don't worry. In this step, we'll troubleshoot common connection issues. As we wrap up, remember that playing Minecraft on your iPhone or iPad can actually be a fantastic experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tutorials and tips.